Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal distributed the Anurodham Bohra Award 2020 to the students who passed the high school leaving examination with distinction marks. Aimed to encourage the meritorious students, the award honors the first Assamese and fifth Indian ICS Anudorium Bora. This year, the state government opted for a release of sum of 34 crore rupees instead of availing laptops due to the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. Here's a report. Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal presented Anundoram Boroha Award 2020 to students who secured 75% or above in HSLC examination 2020 ADA program. As part of the award, an amount of 20,000 rupees each was directly transferred to bank accounts of 16,944 students for purchasing laptops. The Chief Minister transferred the amount through the press of a button while ceremonically presenting checks and certificates to 5 students. A total of 34 crore rupees has been released by the government for the purpose. Urging the students who received the award constitute in the name of a great personality like Anundoram Boroha to shape their lives following the ideals of such personalities. Sonowal called on the young students to utilize their talents and imbibe about by Act East policy. Anudoram Boroha was an extraordinary scholar, the first Assamese and fifth Indian to join the Indian civil service. He was also the first Indian civilian to be appointed as a district magistrate. Chief Minister also highlighted the steps like setting up of 8 medical colleges, 9 engineering colleges, 32 polytechnics, Sri Anurodha Deb Sports University, Culture University at Majuli and Sri Bhattadev and Madhadev universities and others taken by the state government to develop the education sector apart from taking steps for facilitating education for poor students.
बहुत अच्छा लगा और आगे अच्छा करने के लिए मुझे उत्साह मिला है इससे मुझे डॉक्टर बनना है आगे जाकर
बहुत अच्छा लगा और 10 साल मैंने जो मेहनत किया उसके लिए आज सरकार में मुझे इधर बुलाया तो बहुत अच्छा अवार्ड दिया.
While speaking on the occasion, Education Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma Anurodham Boroha Award, which was started in 2005, have benefited a total of 3,73,855 students till now, and it has become one of the flagship schemes of the government. He also said that the state students have shown better performance in national level exams in recent years, and Assam has become one of the top states in spending up to 6% of its GDP for education and health sector. Bureau Report.